Toyota Glanza hatchback has received a shocking 0-star rating in adult occupant protection and 3 stars in child occupant protection in the Global NCAP crash test results. The latest Global NCAP tests are a part of the Safer Cars for Africa initiative, where the Made in India Toyota Glanza is sold as the starlet. The hatchback is equipped with driver and passenger frontal airbags and electronic stability control as standard. It also gets ISOFIX anchorages in the rear seat and seatbelt reminder for all seats. Alarmingly, the crash test results noted the footwell area and body shell were unstable and not capable of withstanding further loadings. The head and chest protection was rated as poor in the side impact test, while the abdomen protection was rated as adequate. The South African version does not get side protection airbags even on the top variants, which is why the side fold test was not conducted on the hatchback. With respect to child occupant protection, the head of the 3-year-old dummy made contact with the car's interior and chest protection was rated low in the frontal impact assessment. In contrast, the Made in India Maruti Suzuki Baleno, tested by the Bharat NCAP in 2025, scored 4 stars. The India-spec Baleno is equipped with 6 airbags on the top trims and received a 4-star safety rating in adult occupant protection. The car scored 3 stars in child occupant protection. The top trims reported good head and neck protection in the frontal offset deformable barrier test. Meanwhile, protection for the driver's chest and thighs was marginal. The results from the side impact tests were also positive. That being said, the Made in India Baleno fared poorly in the Latin NCAP crash tests, also conducted in 2025. Having initially scored a single-star rating with just 2 airbags, the result was updated to 2 stars when Suzuki improved the basic equipment by adding side and curtain airbags as standard. This helped the car achieve a higher score in adult occupant, child occupant, and pedestrian protection. The Toyota Starlet hatchback is one of the most popular cars sold in South Africa and has consistently featured in the top 10 best-selling cars in the country. The hatch is quite popular in vehicle rental and corporate fleets, which makes it even more accessible to the masses. Toyota has now updated the Starlet in South Africa since the test was first conducted, adding side airbags to the car. Global NCAP will be re-evaluating the updated hatchback with the additional safety features and compare the safety performance of both versions of the car. For now, this remains a disappointing result.